the air, seawater desalination, and wastewater, using industrial and thermal methods with a capacity of 50,000 liters and 100,000 liters per 24 hours. In the design of this device, we have used updated and improved technologies, such as transferring hydraulic power to ventilators from a central pump, replacing electromotors of ventilators, and the cooling system from an underground chiller, which greatly reduces energy consumption, and from solar power plants. We have used velosary to vaporize seawater or wastewater. The cost of producing water will be much lower than conventional methods, and the quality of produced water will be comparable to mineral water and can compete with them. Refrigerant density atmospheric water generator, AWG, in a refrigeration condensing system that produces water from the atmosphere. A compressor circulates the refrigerant through a condenser and delivers it to an evaporator coil that cools the surrounding air. This process lowers the temperature of the air to the dew point and causes the water to condense. A controlled fan directs the filtered air towards the coil. Then the resulting water is purified using the filtration system and transferred to the holding tank, because this will keep the water clean and reduce possible risks from bacteria and viruses that may be transferred from the ambient air to the water through the condenser. The amount of water production depends on the relative humidity and temperature of the ambient air and the size of the compressor. The economic efficiency of a water generator depends on the capacity of the device, the humidity of the place, the temperature conditions, and the energy cost per unit. In order to be able to carry out the process of desalination of seawater, it must first be taken through pumping stations, close to the coast, and transferred to the treatment area through canals, wells or galleries. Thermal industrial desalination water. In this method of desalination, the water is heated and turned into steam, which separates the water from the salt. Because the salts do not undergo the evaporation process. This process also occurs naturally in nature, because when the seawater evaporates, the salts remain, without the water allocated in the clouds becoming salty. A laboratory sample was made in the country's Soil and Water Research Center, in Mashkin city of Dasht, Albaz province of Iran, which consists of unconventional water inlets, boiler and steam generator, steam room, and water production generator, and has the capacity to produce fresh water up to 40 liters.